Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change nickname on Rednote application. So if you have a Rednote account and you would love to change your nickname on the Rednote app, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this, as this really helps us to grow. Now, to change your username on Rednote application, go ahead and open the Rednote app, sign into your account. Then click on the Me button at the bottom right to go to your Rednote profile page. On the profile page, locate and click on Edit Profile. Once you selected Edit Profile, then locate and click on Name. Then delete the existing name and type in a new nickname. Mark you can only change your nickname once in 14 days. So go ahead and type in your new nickname like this. Now, once you typed in your new nickname like this, go ahead and click on the confirm button. And your nickname can be between 2 to 24 characters at max. So click on confirm at the top right. Then you should see your new nickname changed. If you click on preview, you'll be able to preview your Rednote profile page, and then you should see the new nickname you selected. So just go ahead and click on save. Then you should see save modifications. Select save from the pop. Once you hit the save button, then your new nickname will be changed. You see that? So that is exactly how to change nickname on Rednote account. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.